Hello, in this video we'll show you how to set up a POS. First of all, in the main dashboard, go to point of sale. You can see in the top menu this sub-menu. Go to configuration and click on point of sale. Here you need to create a new POS. The POS can be a shop or anything. We will name shop 1. Here we have a lot of settings for this POS. We don't need to use everything, but it's very general. So if we have a POS for a bar or a restaurant, we will click this because this will give us more settings in the POS display. Now we are using the new warehouse company, so the company is automatically filled here with new warehouse company. In the order interface, do we need pictures to appear on the display? If yes, we click this. Click pictures of the product. Of course, if we already uploaded pictures for the product. Do you have a touch screen? If yes, we can use the virtual keyboard. Do we need to start selling from a default product category? It's not necessary. Do we need large scroll bars if we have industrial touch screen? Or is this POS linked to barcode scanner, electronic scale, cash drawer, receipt printer, or anything else? If yes, we need to put the IP of the items here. Or if it's linked to a barcode scanner, we will name the barcode scanner a certain name that we will memorize. You don't have taxes in Kuwait, so we will not include it. So we put tax excluded in price. Okay, now if we have seasonal discounts or specific prices, we can update a price list here. Available price list, default price list. To set a price list, we can do it in another separate video. Also, if we have a loyalty program to give customer rewards or free samples, this one needs to be purchased. Also, if we need to price control, restrict price modifications to managers, we should click this. In this section, we should add the payments. We should add the cash, and we should add other payment that you have, either by Visa or any payment gateway that you want. We add it here. Okay, in the bills and receipts, we can customize the header and footer. The header example, this will appear on the top of the receipt. The company address, the website. In the footer, any message you need to include. Here, if you click this, you can allow the cashier to reprint the receipts. If you click this, invoicing, you can print invoices on customer request. If some customers need the invoices, you can print it. The cashier can print it. Here is the main section for this POS, the operation type and the location of the warehouse. Here is the main section we need to fill out. The operation type is used to record product pickings. Every company or every POS will have a certain rule for product picking. Either you directly pick a product and deliver it, or you have a three-step rule to do it. I can explain it in another video how to install such. In another video, we can explain how to input these predefined operation types. Now we need to set up the stock location. The stock location is new warehouse. We called it new warehouse stock. We define it. And the operation type will be, as we defined it earlier, new warehouse company POS orders. The journal in the accounting, the journal entries are automatically input from. In the accounting, the journal entries, we predefined it in the configuration. So you can use it, customer invoices KWD. And we save. Now we have a POS. Here it is, shop 1. To start using this POS, we need to go to the point of sale dashboard here in the top left menu. As you can see, now we have 3 POSs. This one that we created now, it's unused. In order to start a session, every POS can have multiple sessions, either by day or by cashier or anything. Let's start a new session. So let's say that a cashier left and another cashier started using this POS. He can set up the opening balance. For example, 500. Number of coins or bills. Confirm. And now we open the session. As you can see here, who is responsible, point of sale, the POS reference, put in money if we need to put in money, or we need to take out money, reason and amount, take out money, same, or we need to set closing balance. Now we need to continue selling. All the configuration is now setting. Okay, so as you see, this is the main dashboard of the POS. Here's the list that will be in the invoice, the receipt. Here are the products with all the images. And here's the category we created for the products. We can have multiple categories. Whenever you click on a category, you will find the product underneath. Or you can find all the products listed here together. Okay, so let's start selling. We will add this, you just touch it. It will add automatically here. And the quantity you see it's clicked. We can put rice, for example, 3 units. We can define the units at the product level of this product. For example, by dozen or by kilo or whatever. As you see, we are putting products and we can remove, add or remove. Let's continue the payment. As you can see, cash, because we don't have any other payment methods. We will click cash. Okay, so to continue the payment, we will click cash because we don't have another payment method. How much did he pay? So this is how we return money to the customer. And then we validate. we finished this session, this procedure. We can do here directly another session. This is like a setting of POS.